My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, PMA marketing. The clock is ticking. I'd like to introduce you to one of the most powerful concepts in all of marketing and business today. It's a concept that if you know, understand, and deploy in your business will have dramatic and radical effects on the results you're able to produce in a relatively short amount of time. It's something you may be familiar with, and if so, I'd like to encourage you to take this as a friendly reminder and refresher. And if you're not familiar with it, then I'd highly encourage you to give it some honest thought and consideration before dismissing it. This topic is not to be taken lightly. First, a word of warning. I'm not some woo-woo, secret studying, incense burning, just think good thoughts without doing any work type of guy. But I do believe in gratitude, positive affirmations, goal setting, meditation, and all the things that science has proven rewire and retrain your brain. And one of the most important things that I've uncovered is essentially PMA marketing, also known as positive mental attitude marketing, which simply put is carrying around the highest level and most positive attitude possible and conveying that across all of your marketing and in all of your business dealings. PMA marketing is a mindset. It means being positive. It means being the first to smile. It means being quick to say thank you and quick to extend the hand for a nice handshake or a friendly greeting. And it means quick to acknowledge the work that other people are doing and the value that your clients and customers are bringing to your business. Essentially, it means being overall positive and portraying that attitude in all of your marketing and business. Now, I know it may sound a little fluffy or airy or kind of woo-woo or whatever it is out there, but regardless, having a PMA marketing attitude and adopting that in all of my business, I can directly attribute a number, if not all, of the great successes I've had to when I've actively gone to try to portray that attitude, and nearly every failure and every issue I've had when I've held back or I've let a little bit too much cynicism or too much disappointment or too much negativity infiltrate my marketing and my messages and my business. And the reason it's so effective is that PMA marketing comes across in everything that you do. Every video you make, every podcast you record, every Facebook post that you write, every email you send, every client call that you take, it is in absolutely everything, which is why it is absolutely fundamental and crucial that you convey this attitude of positivity across all of your marketing all the time. It works because people like positive people, and people like doing business with people they like. It's really no more complicated than that.